Hey guys, welcome back to Upstart Creatives. In this video, I'm going to show you how to step-by-step build a course all inside of Kajabi. Kajabi is the all-in-one business platform for hosting courses, creating email funnels, email marketing, basically everything that you need for running an online business. Now, if you use my link in the description below, that'll give you an extended 30 days over the standard 14-day trial. Plus, I'm going to throw in my Creative Starter Pack, which includes my Kajabi mini course, plus an optional free review video or a one-on-one video call with me. Now, here's an example of one of my mini courses over on Flatpak Effects. Now, this is basically what the customer sees when they log in. So this is what I'm going to show you how to create. So over in Kajabi, I'm going to click on Products and then All Products. And then I'm going to click Create a New Product. Now, over here, you just need to simply click course, and Kajabi's basically set up so that it's just asks you a few basic questions and it's automatically going to create all of that complicated technical stuff in the background for you. So you just have to fill out the blanks. You're going to type in the name of your mini course. You can also add a little bit of a description. Now this button here basically allows the Kajabi AI to go ahead and create a template for the layout of your course. Now, if you want to create one from scratch, then I recommend just leaving this off. But just to show you, if I created, say, a photography course here, and I just got it to automatically create all of that, it's then going to ask me which colors do I want to add in. If I'm going to use some of my branding, then I might use my primary color here, and then sort of any additional colors that I have set up, I can add in there. I can even add an image for my course, whatever that's going to be. Next, it's going to ask me, what do I want to actually include? So is it going to be free or am I going to have a paid option? Kajabi give you all of these different options for how people are going to basically buy the course. So you can set up a multi-payment, so which requires them, to pay monthly, weekly, yearly, or whatever. They can have subscriptions. You can just have like a one-time. So for this, say I'm going to make this $197. You then select the payment methods. Now in my Kajabi mini course, which is included when you use my link, I show you how to set all of this stuff up step by step, the payment side of it. But we're just going to hit next and it's automatically going to create all of that stuff for me. It's automatically gone ahead and created 4 different modules here, and each one has either a video or a description of what that section is going to be about. So you can either set these to be public or draft. That basically just means whatever's going to be visible. If you're working on, say, a new module, then you can basically just set that to draft so that people can't see it in the finished product. So even after you've started selling the course and people are logged in, you can be working on the course in the background, adding new content to it, and only publish that when you're ready to go live. Now, to see what actually this looks like, we can click this button. Basically shows us a preview of what our customers are going to see when they're logged into the course. Now this layout can all be customized. So the first thing I like to do is come in here to the customize tab, and this is where we can actually mess around with the template. Now you can use one of the different templates that Kajabi already give you, and you can preview any of these by just clicking on them. It's automatically kind of created a demo for you to see what your product is going to look like. Now remember, this is actually what people are going to see once they've purchased your course. So once they've logged in, this is how they're going to be watching that course or the videos or whatever's included in that course. So this is where you want to choose the actual layout for how that's going to be displayed. You can customize any of these by coming back to the one that's active and then hitting customize. Now, for instance, if I want to come in here, I can go ahead and just change any of the text color. So if I want to change this, I could add more of a description. If I want to go back and update my description, I can go back through and actually write out a full description. But if I change this view to be post, this is what people are going to see when they actually click on one of the individual videos. So they're going to be watching it like this. They can add comments underneath and they're going to see the description of all the videos that are in that module. Again, I recommend just going through and picking a template that looks good, that you're happy with, and then kind of sticking with that. Just making sure that it follows all of the same sort of theme settings and all that sort of stuff. In that mini course that I include, I run through how to actually set up your website in terms of the actual look. But I'm just going to go back to the customization here and I'm going to go to the outline. Now, the first is that it's created these 4 folder-like items. Now, these are what we call modules. So if you imagine your course was split into 4 or 5 different modules, within those modules, you might have 4 or 5 individual videos. This is what this represents. Each one of these is a module that we can see here on the page. And when I click into one of those modules, we get the individual videos. Now for the individual videos, I can go in here and actually customize any of this however you like. Kajabi basically give you unlimited video hosting. So you can upload your videos directly into here, and that will allow you then to go ahead and create a video that people can actually watch. Underneath that, you can also add a description. This is where Kajabi has already gone out and filled this section out for you by using their AI system. You don't have to use any of this. You can edit it however you like. You just delete it, add whatever text you want. You can add download files. I recommend giving each lesson a thumbnail. So it's basically just a matter of going through and adding all of the different sections of your course, however many videos you have. That's automatically going to save. And when we go to the actual course, it's going to be updated here in the background. Now, this is one of the mini courses that I have over on my Flatback Effects website, and I've just got this as one module split into all of these different videos. And you don't have to have just videos. Some of this is text, you can see represented here by these little icons, and then these ones are videos. Now, if I went over and had a look what it looks like for my customer, when they first join, they're basically going to see all the videos listed here in this little icon. Now, they can go through and just start watching any of these videos as they want, and it's automatically going to save their position or whatever they're up to, whatever part of the course they're up to. And when they're ready, they can just go to that next lesson and start watching that video. Now, this is obviously just a mini course and it's something that's quite simple. So this, for instance, is one of my more in-depth courses, and I have lots of different modules, 8 modules to be exact, and each one of these has a whole bunch of videos laid out within them. Now, as far as what my customer sees, this is what they see here. They get a list of all the different modules and all of the videos included in there. Now, obviously, this layout may be different from the one that you choose because this is the template that I've chosen to work with. But again, you can see that Kajabi basically just make it really simple to lay all of this stuff out. Now, the other side of this is actually creating a checkout page, or what Kajabi call an offer for that product. Now, this is just a way of people actually purchasing this course, and then Kajabi is going to automatically help them set up an account and then get access to the course. So the way that we do this is we come over here to the sales tab, and under sales, there's going to be offers. Now, Kajabi have already gone ahead and created an offer for us, so we can just click on that offer that it's created, and this is what you're looking at here. This is essentially a checkout page or a way of people buying that course. So you're going to have a basic description and title up here. You're then going to tell it what product do you want to include when someone purchases this offer. This stuff you can just leave all by default. This is basically just so that when someone purchases it, Kajabi will automatically then help them set up a login that then they can use to access that course or product or whatever it is. Now, the pricing section of this is where you're actually going to mess around with the price if you wanted to change the price, for instance. And then you can come in here to the edit checkout page. And this is what it's actually going to look like for people when they purchase that course. So for instance, this is one of the courses that I have set up on my other website, but this is what the checkout page looks like. So if we go back to that checkout page, this is essentially what you're looking at here. It's going to be everything that's included with that course. And then all I have to do is enter in their email, and then they can add their credit card or use PayPal, however you want to collect payments. Then they'll complete their purchase and go through and actually get access to that course. Now, the way you can go through here is just simply go through that page and add any of that information that you want by editing it here. You can simply go in here and edit any of that information however you want. But the best way to think of an offer is basically as a checkout page. Now, the reason that Kajabi do it this way is that if you say had one product, which is your mini course, and you wanted to sell it at 2 different price points. So for one group of people, you might be trying to sell it at this price. But for another group, you might have a special group of people that get a special discount or something like that. You could create another offer and have that at a different price point with a completely different checkout page that you could send to people. So you don't have to keep duplicating your product every time you want to create a new price point or an offer. You can just create another offer, which you can have unlimited offers, and just add different products. And when you create that web page, you're automatically going to create a button that just goes directly to that checkout page. And the rest of it, Kajabi is going to take care of. They're going to give that person access to that course, and that person's basically just going to go through and watch or download that product. But that's how easy it is to create a course inside of Kajabi. Now, creating and hosting courses is not the only thing that Kajabi can do. It can do so many other things. Basically everything that you need for running an online business. You can use my link down in the description below. That's going to give you an extended 30 days over the standard 14-day trial. Plus, I'm also going to give you my complete creative starter kit. If you want to learn how to create a product page inside of Kajabi, then you can watch this video next, and that's going to show you step by step how you actually do that. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.